This is for anybody that's wanting to buy a ScotBuilt mobile home. This is a 2019 model. I noticed my glass door was shaky. All those gold screws are mine. There's only 3 screws holding the top left-hand corner of this door in. That seam's supposed to be taped. That seam down there is also supposed to be taped off with window and door tape, and it's not taped. You can see where the wall's wavy from getting wet. This isn't plywood, by the way. Thermoply grades. It's this crap, not plywood. I wouldn't recommend it to anybody, not for what they sell in these trailers for. This is a 2019 model, and I'm already having a lot of issues. Trim falling off in the house. My vinyl siding's wobbly up there in that joint from where this wall is getting wet and deteriorating. So I'm probably gonna have to strip all the siding off around this door and put in plywood. The front door leaks. Lots of the trim in the house is falling down. Oh boy, let's go up here. Just get this side out of my way. Look at all them screws. Barely nailed into the header. Barely screwed in, I should say. I'll put all these gold screws in at a better angle, so hopefully they won't pull out. There wasn't that many screws holding it in to begin with. I don't know if you can see them staples. All this shit's just stapled on into the studs. See them staples? Just cheap staples. Like I said, I wouldn't recommend them to anybody.